Hey kids, did you know cats are some of the coolest animals ever? They can jump super high, even taller than you, and they always land on their feet. How cool is that? Cats love to explore and chase things, especially toys, or your shoelaces. They're super sneaky too, like little furry ninjas. And guess what? Cats have a secret language. They meow when they want food, purr when they're happy, and swish their tails when they're curious. Some cats are fluffy like clouds, and others have sleek, shiny fur. But all cats love to nap, a lot. Can you guess how many hours they sleep? Almost all day. Cats are playful, curious, and full of surprises. Wouldn't you love to have a kitty friend? Bye for now. See you next time.